everyone, this is Lily Chilton. I figured that I should create a video in response to or in relation to that IRS notice that was supposed to have been sent out or mailed out by IRS last week. I actually received a notification from IRS last week, and I have sent it to a few of my clients. So today I'm going to show you what that notice looks like, and I'm going to provide you a little bit of guidance as to how you're going to respond to IRS about that. If you received a notice, so if you received a notice, then if you received a notice, I'm going to tell you how you can respond to IRS properly on that, and I'm going to show you the different types of letters that they were supposed to have sent out. So if you're going to go and view my monitor, so last week IRS actually sent out a notification as to their notices to taxpayers that might have some deficiencies on their tax filing in response to virtual currency transactions. So as you can see here, the IRS has begun sending what it calls educational letters. Yeah, that's what they call it, educational letters. So I 6173 is pretty straightforward. They're going to tell you, hey, on our record, based on our records, you have a filing obligation that did not meet your tax return. Anyway, so you're going to see that in a bit. So it says on here, educational letters to taxpayers it has identified as not reporting virtual currency transactions or reporting incorrectly. So you guys you always have to know what IRS has on you, and I'm going to tell you in a bit how you're going to do that. So the IRS says that by the end of August, it will have sent more than 10,000 of the letters. They actually started sending out letters July 16, and I just received a notification from them July 26. So the thing that I have with them, so I basically contacted IRS. I said, your notice is the 26th. Right? This notice that I received from you is July 26th. They actually sent it again July 27th. But then their letter that they have posted on the website, the date is July 16. That means that, because that's a sample letter, that means that the letters actually were sent out by the IRS to the tax filers on July 16. 10 days before the tax practitioners actually receive the notification, which is not good, because like for me, guys, tax practitioners are actually your first defense against IRS or against the government, or against franchise tax board or against board of equalization. So if you are using a tax practitioner to handle your information compliance for filing, then they are actually the first people that will safeguard you against IRS, because if there's a unintentional non-filing or an intentional error on your return, then you are not obligated. Then the penalty does not lie on you, it lies on the practitioner, right? If the error was because of their negligence, right? But if there's intentional withholding of information from your part, then that's a different story. So I'm saying that if you have to work with your tax practitioners, because, like I said, they are your gatekeepers. So going back to the website, going back to the notice, taxpayers should take these letters very seriously by reviewing their tax filing when appropriate. Amend your returns and pay back taxes, interest, and penalties. Guys, they're actually going back to 2013 to 2017. They want you to check your records not just for last year, but from 2013 to 2017. I'm going to show you this information in a minute. So let's open a new link, click that. IRS has begun letters, and then this is just a historical overview of what IRS has been doing. Let's go straight to the letters: 6173, 6174, and 6174A. 6173, this is basically the original letter that states that, hey, I'm sending you this letter because there is missing information on your tax return. We have this information on you, but it's not on your tax return. Let me show you where that is. This first sentence is actually the most important part of this letter. You see, it says on here, we have information that you have or had one or more accounts containing virtual currency and may not have met your U.S. tax filing and reporting requirements for transactions involving virtual currency, which include cryptocurrency and non-crypto virtual currency. Okay, this is the most important part of this notice. You know why? Because it tells you, hey, they have this information on you, but comparing to your income tax return, it's not there. You see? Now, I will tell you how or where you can get this information. It's called IRS transcript. The IRS transcript is very, very good defense for you, because what is on there is what IRS has on you, right? If there is a wage and income information on there that is not on your tax return, then that is the main reason, that is the main information that you are getting this notice, because you are not matching your transcript with your income tax return. Basically, that is it. They have something on you, but it's not on your tax return. It was either intentionally ignored, not reported, or maybe you just forgot about it, right? So, let's see. Maybe I should put my headpiece. I actually forgot to put it on. Hopefully, that first portion of my discussion you got, and hopefully it was recorded properly. So this is the 6173 letter. So on that 6173, they tell you why they were writing to you, and then they actually tell you what they need from you. Now on this second page is a signature page. I recommend never ever sign anything that is from IRS or from any government entity without talking to a tax professional, or without talking to a legal counsel, or I said legal counsel just in case your case is way up there, that is outside the capability of a tax practitioner, because it states on here that it's not on this letter. Oh, actually it is. So you have to check your income tax returns and compare them against your income transcript. So you basically have to match a 2013 and 2017. This way you know what to put on your tax return, how you're going to amend it, and what type of form you're going to use. Okay? So this is 6173. Okay? 6174 is basically the same as 6173, but the difference on this is, see, it tells you why they're writing, what you need to do, right? And what you need to do, and the guidelines as to how you're going to report your virtual currency transactions. And as on here, depending on the type of transactions you have with your cryptocurrency, you either have to do Schedule C, Schedule A, Schedule D. You gotta use Form 8949. So Schedule C, if you were paid by cryptocurrency for services rendered to a company or to a customer, then that is a Schedule C. If you have disposed of, sold, exchanged, or disposed of virtual currency from Bitcoin to Ether, or vice versa, or any other form of cryptocurrency, then that goes to Schedule D. Now, if you have received supplemental income, using your for your partnership return, for your S corporation, partnership, LLC, then that goes to your Schedule E. Okay, so there's a lot of factors to consider. How did you use your money? How long did you keep it at the exchange? And how did you pay for it? When I say how you paid for it, because there's different types of reporting requirements. If you paid straight from your bank or your checking account, then that's a different story. But if you paid using a credit card transactions, then that credit card company that you used for that cryptocurrency transaction has a filing requirement to file 1099-K if you are within the threshold limitation of filing. Okay, so that is this is letter 6174. It tells you what form to use. Okay, and if you're going to do that using all this, then when you amend or file your delinquent returns, at the top of the first page you have to write letter 6174. This notice right here will send your amended return to the right department, because IRS has specialized departments per amendment or per issue, so that way it will go to the right location faster. So 6174A is basically the same thing. To be honest with you, when filing amended or delinquent returns, letter add 6174A. To be honest with you, I have no. Oh, okay. Okay. To be honest with you, I haven't reviewed the 6174 and 6174A as in paragraph by paragraph, so I absolutely have no idea what the difference is between 6174 and 6174A. But bottom line, the most important part of it is on 6174, it tells you which form to use for the type of transaction that you use your crypto transactions for, why they are writing to you, what they need from you. So basically that is it. The main defense that you have, as I'm going to say it again, is your IRS transcript. Review it. Request for it. It's from 2013 to 2017. It's very easy to sign up to access your IRS transcript. Oh, actually it's irs.gov. Go to view your account, right? And then go to create or view your account. This is how you can get your transcript. Okay, so just follow the information, or you can send them a letter. But if you have everything, if you have your last year's AGI, if you know everything about yourself by heart, it should be easy for you to sign up to access your account for your IRS transcript. Okay, it's very easy, I'm telling you. So that is all. If you need additional information regarding this video or regarding this notice, IRS notice from IRS, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information can be accessed from our website. We are cpa-consultants.com, right here, cpa-consultants.com, right? Telephone numbers available. I am in California, but I handle accounts in Puerto Rico, Delaware, Wyoming, Nevada, and California. We have contracted CPAs and tax practitioners within those states. So I can guarantee you, if you have any question, if we're unable to assist you, we'll definitely network you to the best company that can. But I can guarantee you can stay with us. So go to cpa-consultants.com. Email address is info@cpa-consultants.com. This is Lily Chilton. I hope that I was able to give you some guidelines in relation to your cryptocurrency reporting, based in relation to the IRS notice that were sent out mid-July. Have a good day, and watch out for our next video. Thank you, and hope to serve you soon. Bye.